Ever wondered if you're truly a Xero whiz? Like officially a Xero certified advisor? You're navigating the world of cloud accounting, managing finances for your business or clients, and you're pretty sure you know your way around Xero. But is there a badge, a certificate, a something that proves it? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Because let's face it, in the competitive world of finance, having that official recognition can make a world of difference. So, how do you know if you're Xero certified? It's a question I get asked a lot, and it's a really important one. Especially if you're looking to boost your credibility, attract new clients, or even just validate the skills you've worked so hard to develop. We're going to break it all down in this video, from the different types of certifications to how you can check your status and even what to do if you're not certified but want to be. First things first, let's talk about the different levels of Xero certification. It's not just a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. Xero offers a range of certifications designed to cater to different levels of expertise and different roles within the accounting and bookkeeping world. Think of it like a ladder, with each rung representing a higher level of knowledge and skill. At the base, you have the Xero Advisor certification. This is your starting point, the foundation upon which you build your Xero expertise. This certification focuses on the core features of Xero, the fundamentals you need to know to effectively use the platform for everyday accounting tasks. Think setting up organizations, managing contacts, processing invoices, reconciling bank accounts, the bread and butter of Xero usage. This certification is perfect for bookkeepers, accountants, and even business owners who want to get a solid grasp of the software. Then you have the Xero Payroll certification. As the name suggests, this certification delves into the specifics of managing payroll within Xero. It covers everything from setting up payroll, processing payslips, managing superannuation, and handling tax obligations. Payroll can be a complex area, so this certification demonstrates a specialized skill set and is highly valuable for anyone working with payroll in Xero. Beyond these core certifications, Xero also offers specialized certifications in areas like Xero Tax and Xero Practice Manager. These cater to more specific niches within the accounting profession, allowing you to demonstrate expertise in those particular areas. For example, the Xero Tax certification validates your understanding of how to use Xero for tax preparation and filing, while the Xero Practice Manager certification focuses on using Xero for practice management within an accounting firm. Now, the million-dollar question: how do you actually know if you're certified? It's not like you magically wake up one morning with a certificate in your hand. The process involves completing specific training courses and passing corresponding exams. Xero provides these training resources through Xero Learn, their online learning platform. It's a treasure trove of information, with courses, videos, and resources designed to help you master Xero. Once you've completed the relevant training, you'll need to take an exam to prove your knowledge. These exams are typically online and assess your understanding of the material covered in the training. Passing the exam is what earns you the certification. So, how do you check your certification status? This is where your Xero account comes in. When you log into Xero, there's usually a section in your profile or settings where you can view your certifications. It should clearly list any certifications you've earned, along with the dates you achieved them. This is your official record of your Xero qualifications. If you can't find your certification status within your Xero account, or if you're unsure whether you've completed the necessary steps, the best thing to do is to reach out to Xero support directly. They can help you verify your certification status and provide guidance on any next steps. Now, what if you discover you're not yet certified but you want to be? Well, that's great. It means you're taking the initiative to improve your skills and enhance your professional profile. The first step is to head over to Xero Learn. Explore the different certification options and identify the ones that align with your goals and current role. Start with the Xero Advisor certification, as it's the foundation for most other certifications. Once you've chosen your certification path, dive into the training materials. Take your time, make notes, and practice using Xero as much as possible. Hands-on experience is crucial for mastering the software. Don't be afraid to revisit the training materials and practice exams as needed. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll be when you take the actual certification exam. Remember, getting Xero certified is an investment in yourself and your career. It demonstrates your commitment to professional development and sets you apart in the marketplace. It shows potential clients or employers that you have the skills and knowledge to effectively use Xero, and it gives you the confidence to tackle any accounting challenge that comes your way. So, if you're serious about mastering Xero, getting certified is a must. It's the official stamp of approval that validates your expertise and opens up new opportunities. Don't just think you know Xero, prove it. Get certified and let the world know you're a Xero expert. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.